Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we did a look with the Good Sport palette from ColourPop. This is what the inside looks like. There's no mirror. The shades are on the back, but look at this little leopard packaging. It's beautiful. It's so cute. So yeah, if you want to see how we got this look, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to do an eye look with this new palette from ColourPop. It's called the Good Sport palette. I put in a humongous order. Huge. At ColourPop. So we're just kind of going through and doing a couple looks. I still have, this is still a no foundation look. Tell me you don't love that. Like, hello? Fall? Are you in there? Hello, fall, are you in there? Halloween? Are you in there? I'm very excited about this. Very, very excited. No. Not having any... No discussion about it. We like it. Bubsy's not sure about it. He's questioning. That's what he does. It's like my husband. It's okay. That's what he says. It's okay. It's not okay. It's great. Fabulous. Alright. So, we're going to prep our eyes with the Lorac primer. We're almost done using this up. Butsy, don't, sir, don't. All right, so I am like totally unsure of the look I'm gonna do. I don't know what I want to do. The purples and the greens, and it's way too much. It's too much. First thing we're gonna do is set down these eyes with some Urban Decay Naked setting powder, because there's not a good shade in here to set with. Let's see, a pretty good transition. Mustard color is fabulous. Who doesn't love a good mustard? Alright, so I think that's what I'm going to start with. I'm going to start with this mustard color right here and put that in my transition. Oh, yes. Bring it to me. Bring me the mustard vibes. It's beautiful. I just love it. Alright. I'm going to go into my crease with this brown right here, tannish color. Same brush. It doesn't have a lot of kick up, but oh well. It's not like I'm going to use it up. Lordy. Killing me. Killing me, Smalls. You're killing me. Yeah. Sorry, I keep looking in the viewfinder because it to me kind of gives me a different look. All right. So I'm so torn. That means I can do multiple looks with this thing. It's torn. But see, I don't want to hear it. You're being way, way too obnoxious right now. Way too obnoxious. Alright, so I'm trying to go in with like this green shimmer shade. I don't want to be too overpowering with it. It's super bright, but I don't want it to overpower the look. Because I'm going to go in with a much warmer, warmer green. I feel it falling on my face. No! God damn, he startled me. Shut up! He doesn't like it when I make noises. Doesn't want, he's afraid something's wrong with me. But see, it's okay. Mama's alright. Alright, let's see what this color looks like. If it's going to do what I want it to do. So it's kind of like a muted version of the other color. Let's see something. It's like it's a slight green right here. So I went in with this, and now I'm trying to go in with this in the front of my eyeballs. Just so it's not so bam. Can we stop? Can you sit down, sir? I know, they want... Butsy's already eaten, because he has to eat when he first comes in from his afternoon walk, or he gets pissed. The other ones, I think, want to eat. Okay. So, I'm going to go back into and use this color and make it my outer V. And Enzo, what are you into? I think he's eating carpet. I seriously think he's eating carpet. That's what we do around here. Butsy's over there trying to eat a shoe. Butsy? Is that your shoe or Mama's shoe? He don't know. He just wants that shoe. I am digging it. I'm getting stuff all over my face because there was fallout. Hey, hey, hey. Settle down, son. Alright, now I'm going to put some of that dark green under. And I saw that kind of blow around as well. It's okay. Come here, Enzo. Butsy! Butsy's gonna have to go to bed. He's not acting right. Alright, we'll put a little light gold color in our inner corner. And I'll show you what we got. This is not the best mascara. This is going in the garbage too. I thought just for filming it would be fine. Would do the trick, but it's too clumpy. Too clumpy. Too clumpy. Alright, so that's going in the box too. we're going to take that, what was on my lip, off. Enzo, can you stop getting into stuff? You're just being a handful, sir. So I do have this like really holographic lip gloss. That's what it looks like. It's from Guerlain. It came in one of my boxes. I have no idea what the shade is, but I'm going to tell you. Once we get our little grandma shades out. It's called Neat Freak. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not Guerlain. I'm so sorry. It's ColourPop. It's from the Shayla line. Yeah. So, perfect. Come here, Oko. Come here, Mama. Alright, everybody. This is a look I came up with, this new palette called Good Sport from ColourPop. These are all the beautiful shades on the inside, and I'm going to love, love, love checking this out. So, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Mwah.